What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse. Let's head back over to our Five Below dollhouse in the kitchen that we made using a few things from Dollar Tree and mini brands. I have this corner over here that I've been trying to figure out what to do with. Then I thought, why not take a little inspiration from my own house? Roll the footage! Last year, I bought a hydroponic system. This is the brand Garden, so I could grow my own fruits and veggies inside of my house. And when I say I mean my husband, because y'all, I do not have a green thumb. But he was happy to take over this project, and stuff started growing. This was day 6, day 16, day 23, and now we have a happy little garden in the corner of the kitchen. So I'm thinking we might do some kind of garden in our mini kitchen. MGA's Miniverse Make It Mini Nature has some plant options. This is Series 3. These capsules may contain sand. There are 8 to collect. I paid $7.99 for this capsule, and I bought them online, so we might have a few doubles. But we just opened Make It Mini Animals, and I didn't have any doubles, so I'm hoping for the same luck. But we just need to check the marks. I think that is a mark right there. I made it darker so it's more visible. Now we can pull the tab and remove the wrappers. Open the side of the capsule. Here's the collector's guide, where we can see all the plants we might find. The pansies are super cute. On the back, we have peppers. I like those. And a cute little lemon tree. We made one of those a few years back. In this capsule, we have 2 yellow bags, an item wrapped in paper, and our plant wrapped in newspaper, which is the morning glories. We have 2 stems connected together with roots. Let's lay down our paper and our plant, then open everything else up. Got a nice little planter here. And in the bags, we have plant supports, blossom mix, and a miniature trowel, as well as legs for the capsule. Let's add the blossom mix. Oh wait, we're supposed to put this together first and add the plant. Then we can add it to the pot and add more of the potting mix. And we've got a new plant for the dollhouse that looks like a great size for the dolls. But it's totally not enough to fill the space in the corner, so let's do something about that. In our last video, some of you want to know if there were other ways we could reuse these capsules. Maybe we could turn part of it into a hydroponic system. Let's give it a try. To the craft table. I think we could use the cylinder to make a tank for our hydroponic system. You could use one of the bowls if you want it to be round at the bottom, but I think I want mine to be flat. Let's take recycled paperboard. I'm using a box, and I'm just going to cut down the side to open it up. Take one of the bowls, place it onto the paperboard, and trace around it several times. Cut them out, then use glue to glue several layers together. I made 2. I found leftover wood grain paper from another project. I use it to cover the circles. I cut a hole out of one of them, then make 2 small holes in the other. I take LED lights with a battery pack. I twist the lights to make 2 connected strands, then pull them through the holes. Cut 4 half-inch strips of black cardstock and 4 at 1/8. Cut the half-inch strips to 9 inches, glue 2 together, then bend it around a wooden dowel while it dries to get half of a paper tube. Glue the lights inside, then glue the bottom of the half tubes to the circle. Take the 1/8 of an inch strips and glue 2 together. Bend it at 9 inches, then go over a little and bend it again. We can put a line of hot glue or wire on the back for support if needed. Take white computer paper, roll them around a wooden dowel to make paper tubes, using glue along the way and at the end to secure it. I made 3 at 8.5 inches, and I rolled another paper tube at 11. Cut the 11-inch piece into 1-inch pieces, then cut them in half at a diagonal. Glue them onto the other 3 tubes so they branch off in different directions. Take a scrap of felt, cut small pieces to place inside of the tubes. for rock wool. Now that we have all of our pieces, we can glue it together. Glue the circle with the lights onto the capsule. Glue the circle with the hole underneath. Glue on the 3 tubes, trying to get them evenly spaced across the middle. Then take the black supports and glue them from the light to the back of the tube at just a few points to make our own miniature hydroponic system. We can get to the on and off switch and the battery underneath so we can turn it on and place it in the corner in the kitchen. With my studio lights turned off, it has a little glow. We can cut pieces of artificial plants and push them into the tubes to make it look like our garden is growing. And since the plants are not glued in, we can switch them out whenever we want, or make it look like they're going from seedlings to full-grown plants ready to harvest. And now we have a mini garden in our kitchen, which is totally perfect for that corner. But speaking of gardens, Disney Doorables are in full bloom, where we can see Disney characters with a garden theme. I paid $4.99 for this. It's a mini peek with 2 or 3 figures inside. There are 30 to collect, and the packaging is super cute. This one is C034, in case you want to know the code. We can totally use this to make stones or bricks in another scene. Sorry, I get excited about packaging. And inside we have 2 bags, so we're getting 2 figures and the collector's guide, showing us topiary treasures, enchanted blooms, and fantasy florals. Some figures are common, rare, ultra rare, and special edition. This is bag 7, which is it's ultra rare Heimlich from A Bug's Life. It comes with a leaf and a flower that it can hold. Mine doesn't seem to stand by itself, but there is a small peg on the leaf to attach it so it can stand. The second bag has a 21 with a common alien from Toy Story who has a rocket pot or spaceship with 2 leaves that attach to the sides. Oh, and his ears are leaves. I would like to find one of the topiaries, or Tiana and Tink. So let's open one more. This is P131. We got 2 bags. In bag 9, we find a topiary for Bambi with a butterfly attachment and a flower stand. In bag 25, we have Jack Skellington, who can stand on his own and comes with a pumpkin with a few attachments for his in full bloom display. I like using Disney Doorables as collectibles for dolls. However, with all these tiny attachments, I hope I don't lose any pieces. But let's revisit Miniverse Make It Mini nature capsules. There's a mark right there on the little person's leg. I made it darker. I want to find the peppers. Keeping with the little kitchen garden theme, we got 2 yellow bags and our plant, which looks like branches. I think it's the juniper bonsai tree. If you're looking for a DIY, we made a bonsai tree a few years back. Let's open the paper bags. We have rocks, a red tray or pot, greenery, and a garden tool. Just add the rocks, then the tree, then put the needles or the greenery on the ends, and it's ready for the dollhouse. The scale looks good with the dolls. This could be a fun addition to an office or a living room. This is my last capsule for the day. There's a small mark on the C. Please be the peppers. Moment of truth. Are those peppers? They sure are! We got yellow peppers, and according to the instructions, a little sunlight can turn them red. And we can pick them. Wrapped in paper, we find the pot. Looks like a little terracotta pot. We have a yellow bag with some spicy mix and a tool. Just add the soil or the mix to the pot, leaving a space for the roots. Then add more soil and press it in place, so the dolls can add homegrown peppers to their next meal. I think these are a great size for the dolls, and I love that you can actually pick them. While at Five Below, I ran across these mini veggie boxes. It says vegetables in carton, and there are 6 to collect. I want to know if these are a good size for the dollhouse. Now this one capsule was, I think, $5 or $4. So I only bought one so we could check out the scale, because my dolls love some veggies. There are 2 wrappers. Then I have a clear capsule with a purple base. Let's open it up. There's a collector's guide and a box wrapped in plastic. And it looks like we have eggplant. I can see them inside. The box is a thin cardboard, which I think is pretty cool. We get a few labels and 5 eggplant that we can place in the box. And here is one with the dolls. Let us know what you think about the scale in the comments down below. Overall, I think we found a few fun minis here. I like the way the hydroponic system turned out and that we were able to reuse part of a capsule. I'm glad we found the peppers, and I can't wait to see what they come up with next. Thank you for joining us while we had fun with a few minis. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!